Floyd Shivambu had a beef, not beef, but yeah, I don't know, online with Sezwe Dlomo, and it ended in tears for Sezwe Dlomo because what Floyd Shivambu told him was that I don't know you, so please papeli. And ultimately, a few minutes later, Sezwe Dlomo has been blocked by Floyd Shivambu. We'll talk more about that. There's another story that is of interest here. The fact that Nhlamulo they did what they did to Floyd because Nhlamulo has an ambition of becoming the secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I'm interested to know how will that pan out because looking at all this, right, you get a sense that how best can I say this? Looking at this, what we are hearing from MK Party is that they will appoint Mfeka as the Secretary General, but at the same time, Nhlamulo, according to Sunday World, has got intentions of becoming the Secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. So there's gonna be this high contention for powers within the party. And that's going to be the problem. So we'll end with that article. Let's start with the issue of Sezwe Dlomo no Floyd Shivambu. Sezwe Dlomo basically said the following. Your problem is you don't know how to execute and you move like you are desperate at Floyd Shivambu. Chill, bro. Didisa. Lie low for like 2 months or something. Then come back and say you consulted. Not this thing. Hi girl Floyd Wampendulo. I humbly think you are over exaggerated view of yourself, my brother. I don't know you. I've never spoken to you. But it seems like you feel entitled to how I do politics. I don't know what you do. And I humbly advise that you focus there, please. What follows thereafter was blockation after blockation, because later on we then sent a screenshot that at Floyd Shivambu has blocked you, that is Sezwe Dlomo. So Sezwe Dlomo has been blocked by Floyd Shivambu for paparazzing too much. So some people then had this to say about that. Why is Sezwe Dlomo attacking Floyd Shivambu? That's the first question. The second question is, why is Sezwe Dlomo suddenly trying to advise at Floyd Shivambu as a seasoned politician? He just sounds like a hater. You don't advise lions when you bark from the pavement. I wouldn't say much about barking from the pavement. And then we stand with Floyd against being bullied by Sezwe Dlomo since last Thursday. Sezwe doesn't know limits. A minimum 3 tweets a day since Thursday have been about criticizing Floyd, and Floyd has been quiet until he couldn't take it no more. Oh, so at least it gives us context to the situation. It gives us context to the war. Yeah. Now that we've got context, what do we do with the context? It's a question of the day. But I have an answer. You know what? Do this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more. And also, guys, want to buy more equipment. So, the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, so seeing that you have done the right thing, let's now jump into the issue of Sunday World. They are actually reporting that Nhlamulo open to step into Floyd Shivambu's shoes. Ooh, that's going to be a tough one to fill though. I don't know. Sunday World reported the following, and I read in your hearing. MK Party spokesperson Nhlamulo has signaled his openness stepping into the role of Secretary General, a position left vacant following Floyd Shivambu's ousting earlier this month. Speaking to Sunday World this week, Nhlamulo stressed that he will not turn down the role if asked to serve. I'm a comrade at the moment. I'm a cadre at the moment. If the structure deploy me, I will accept the responsibility. I'm not complaining for any position because I'm not here for positions, but I will serve them. I will serve where the organization calls me to. That's Nhlamulo. This will not sit well with other people. So he continues to say, the position is being highly contested, but Ndlela definitely has the intentions of many. Now that the president has seen what we have been saying about Floyd, we also believe we have this Zuma attention now. One party insider says, right? So we get the fact that, okay, so let me read the source once. There was a deliberate move to get Floyd out of the way so that Ndlela can be put in, says a national executive member. This is about reclaiming the party from people who never believed in it from the beginning. I want to end it there, but having read that, I can tell you this. It sounds to me that there's this spirit from MK Party that you get. That this thing is saying, if we don't recognize you, no matter your effort, no matter what you do, if we don't feel that you are the right person, we will never accept you. You will never rule on us. And it's like, if you were never a member of December 16, you are not part of us. It is giving that. And I can tell you now for free, if this organization is run like that, there is no way they are going to succeed. There's no way. Imagine a soccer team telling or players within a certain football club telling other players that the team might sign you, but we are going to make sure that we sabotage you. At the end, who suffers is the club, not the players, because they are getting salaries. So people need to understand that so long as whatever action they are, or ambitions they have, so long as it doesn't align with that of the party or with that of the club, it stands a chance of sabotaging the greater vision. There's no way you're going to tell me that you are not going to accept new members because they don't fit into the December 16 mentality. Guys, please. This part is about to collapse. And it's going to be collapsed by the people who think just because they were there from the beginning, they have a right to dictate who should and should not participate in the party, who should be elected and should not be elected, on which position and not which position. Because of this mentality, MK Party is going in a wrong direction. And I tell you this now, the direction that the party is going, I think this trajectory is going to be messy for the party itself.